Hello friends, it's Sherry. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. Today I have a little unboxing for you. I'm super excited because it's a different company that I have ordered from before, and it was a company that contacted me to demonstrate some of their products. So I'll show you what I ordered. Super fun, something different for me. So let me show you. First of all, it came in that bubble envelope. And you can see everything's well protected here. Here's my packing slip. I think I ordered 4 things. Yes, that's right. So the name of this company is Craftsbuyer, and it is, you can go to the website. I will have it linked below, and I will have a coupon for you. So that will be linked below, and it's the coupon is for $5 off $40 or more. Look at the nice Ziploc bag it came in. Yes, so what I picked out was some things I could use either in my journals or in my orders. So I thought these would be fun to create, first of all, with you all, and I'll show you what I'm doing, what I do with them. And then, they would be fun for me to use, like I said, with my journals and my shipping. So, super cute papers here. So, let's see. This was one thing that I ordered was the paper or stationery kit. And it came with these papers. Let's open one. I think they look all the same, but there's 4 packets here. So, they came in these little cellophane wrappers. And they are craft colored, as you can see, with lines and decorated. So aren't they cute? Okay, so we've got lines, okay, and then some blank, but they have a little message here and they're decorated. So those are like, oh, okay, let me see. So that one's lined, this one's solid with the decoration, the border. And it's nice, feeling thick paper. Not super thick, but it's not thin, really thin paper or anything like that. And then this one, it has some like script right down here, and you get a little cherub up there, so that is pretty. Let's see what other patterns they have. Oh, cute. I like this one. Let's see, there's some words right here. Delight paper, it looks like it says. Okay, and then, so there's several different ones in each packet, I guess is what it is. Here's another one with lines, and you see the border. Well, that is neat, isn't it? Flowers on this one, like little daisies almost. This one here has a really pretty border. So many things you can do with this, right? You can use them as pages in your journal or little journaling spots. You can fold them up. And just so many things. This is cute, as the little person bending over to look at a flower, and it says miss you right there, and then a little girl with a bird cage down here. So cute, right? And this one's really pretty too. So that must be what the packets are. Each packet has a set of these that several different patterns in each packet. So that's a lot of paper, right? And we can verify that real quick just to show you that each packet has one of each pattern here. Yeah, it looks like that. Yep, I would say so. It looks like I'm telling the truth. Okay, so yes, that's a lot of paper. That'll be fun, and that'll take me quite a while to use up. And with those came the little envelopes here. So we've got several craft envelopes, and I can use them with the paper or, by themselves. So you know how we like to decorate little envelopes, especially little craft colored ones. It's real easy to make these vintagey looking if you want. I mean, they already are kind of vintagey with this color. And then we can decorate them, collage, all the things we do to envelopes. So that will be fun. And there's a lot of them there, a lot of the envelopes. And then that's just a little packet, gel packet. Okay, so I've got 2 of these. So these are stickers that I got. I've never really ordered stickers like this before, and so I thought I saw them on crosspire.com, and I thought, well, wouldn't that be neat to have some little stickers to put on my orders, or, you know, wherever I want to put them. So let's see where this starts. Not sure where it starts, but it does say right here on all the stickers, thank you for your order. So isn't that nice? Let's see, let me take one off. So they look like, oh, okay, that's where they start, something like that. Okay, and then they just go, let me take one off of here. There we go, see. I'll be able to put them on an envelope or on a card, on a tag, you know, a lot of times I'll put these on the little packing slip that I put in the orders. So, you know, and the company I got, these will last me forever, I think. The company I got here. 2 rolls of that, a lot. There's probably 2,000 on there or something like that. Okay, and with that, also I got this little set of keys. Let's see these. These look really cute, and they're that bronze antique color that we like. So let's see what different patterns of keys we have in here, or if they're all the same. No, there's different patterns in here. So let me put them down on maybe an envelope, and you can see the different patterns a little bit. Oh, these are cute. And of course they're little charms, so you get this string, this twine with it too, so you can use that. The idea is to use your little stationery. You know, you can use your little envelope, wrap the string around, use some of the keys, you know, all to decorate your little stationery packages. Okay, that one's the same as that one. So let's see if there's more than 2 different ones here. These are that one. This is that one. Okay, so it looks like there's basically those two different designs. Yeah, I just want to make sure I'm not missing one. I want to show you everything. So super cute little keys, aren't they? And you get a bunch of them. Very cute. And then there's the twine that I showed you. Those, I believe that's for putting through here. It fits right through there, and you can wrap that around an envelope. And wouldn't that be pretty to seal up your envelope with a little wrapped twine, a little key. And then I got, see, I already have some wax and wax seals and the wax burner and things like that. So I got another wax seal because, you know, I only have, I think I have one. I have a rose, and I think that might be it. I might just have one. So I got this one. Look how pretty. It's a very fancy. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I don't have a fancy one. I have a plain one. So I thought a fancy one would be pretty, right? So you just screw this little thing on here, and that is my new design. And guess what it says? Can you see it? It says thank you. It says thank you. So that would be another thing I can use with my orders or in my journals, and stamp out a little seal. I thought that would be so fun to use my wax burner and my wax to make some little seals that say thank you. So I will be doing some of this I will be doing this on video, but they also have really cool, which I don't know if I've seen them before or not, but I saw them on Crosspire, and I thought, wow, well, that would be fun to have pre-made. Now, I don't know what they're made out of exactly, but it doesn't really matter because they look like wax seals. See that? This one says thank you too. I got thank yous on this too. And I believe, are they little stickers? I think they are. Yeah. See, they're little stickers. They're sticky right there. They're sticky, so they're little stickers. You can add glue if you want, or try them out without the stickers, but they're little, see, on the envelope. If you don't want to make your own, already prepared little wax seals. Isn't that awesome? So I think, did I get all of mine? Yeah, they had a couple, they had a few different ones, and this was the thank you pack of wax, pre-made wax seals. So isn't that cool? And I have a bunch of those. So I will be doing some little stationery packs with my twine here and my keys and my beautiful stationery from Crossfire. And like I said, if you want to check out their website, you should just check it out at least to see what they have, in case, you know, they have something you've been looking for and maybe couldn't find it anywhere else. But also, don't forget about my coupon below. That will get you $5 off $40. So, you know, I like to get different things, and so I thought this was really cool and different than anything I have. So I will see you in my next video for Crossfire and my other videos, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, and commenting, and just let me know if you have any questions. I will be glad to chat with you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting!